Hey guys, so occasionally people come to me and they're like, hey Pete, how come your pictures look so cool? And that's because I removed the background. Removing the background is something that's really easy. It's really, really easy to do in Photoshop, but then you've got to deal with the whole process of Photoshop opening up, and that's the biggest hassle of all. So I'm going to show you how to remove a picture, the background of a picture really, really simply using remove.bg or remove image background. But remove.bg, that's our website. So just come here and find a picture you want. Me, I like to look up Thor. So we go to Thor and we'll go to images. Now, you need to choose an image with a reasonable background, something that where there's a difference. Like, for example, this picture here, because I tried it earlier, won't work. It's unable to distinguish the background from the foreground. So we find a picture of Thor, because he's beautiful. We find a picture of Thor that works for us. Let's get one which could be a bit tricky, but should still work. Let's go for this one. There's a bit of hair in the background flowing, and see if we can pick that out. And there's a bit of trash there, which should be hard to pick. So we go copy image address, and we go over to remove background, and we go enter URL. Enter it away. And voila, we now have this picture here without a background, and it looks really clear. So if I want to put Thor in my PowerPoints or my documents, all I have to do is, I can download the image as a PNG file, but all I have to do is right click, copy image, go into my Google Slides or my PowerPoint, it works just the same, press Control V, and you can see that we have this nice transparency. So the whole image is there, but the background is transparent. So I can write Thor is, and none of this picture goes over top of it until the image is there. And that allows us to say, have it here, we can have text all around, and it just looks a bit cleaner, it looks cool. Up here, this is how, for our slides, for our class, we're running the click the question of the day. That's a hyperlinked click, but it looks cool. And I don't know, I just thought that was interesting when we worked that out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, pop in the comments below. If you'd rather use Photoshop to do that, good for you. If not, remove.bg works really well. Alright, bye now, thanks for watching.